Ta'alofa lava and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. My name is Moana Pitaya. Today our Samoan phrases are all about a ta'avale, a car. Our first Samoan phrase about a car is o la'u ta'avale, o la'u ta'avale. This is my car. My car, my car. Yeah. Our next Samoan phrase about ta'avale, car, is ta'avale lanu mea mata. Ta'avale lanu mea mata. So this is saying your car, ta'avale, is lanu kala mea mata, green. So your car is green. The car is green. You can change around lanu, the lanu. So you could say lanu moli, lanu sama, lanu moana. Our next Samoan phrase about ta'avale ka is ta'avale e tolu. Ta'avale e tolu. So again, ta'avale is ka. E tolu is telling you that there are 3 cars. Ta'avale e tolu. There are 3 cars. Our next Samoan phrase about ta'avale cars is fafo ole ta'avale. I fafo ole ta'avale. So I fafo means outside, ole of the ta'avale, outside of the car. Outside the car. I fafo ole ta'avale, outside the car. Thank you so much, Whawhatai Tele Lava, for joining us here at Measina, Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel. We hope that you've enjoyed our video. We want to make sure that you have been paying attention and that you've been learning from our videos. So tell us in the comments what lanu mea mata is in English. Lanu mea mata, tell us what it means in English in the comments. If you have found value in this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel so that we can get better on the algorithmy things, and yeah, share our videos with your friends and families. Whawhatai Tele Lava, thank you so much, and toi whai loa'i. See you again.